Hello, welcome to Nathan's Weird Projects. Today I marked a harmonic balancer with this so I can see where the degrees are. I just wanted to let you know that this is an option, and if you have a car that doesn't have markings all the way around on the harmonic balancer, you can do it. You can mark it yourself. So here's the motor. This is from my Ford Taurus. I have two Ford Tauruses. I'm putting the Ford engine from that Ford Taurus, far Ford Taurus, and in this Ford Taurus. It's kind of a long story. It's a weird project for sure. Yeah. So I did this. You can see, zoom in right here. These are all the marks I made, and believe it or not, you just turn it. You can see, oh goodness, all of them, 10-degree marks. Come on. All the way around. And believe it or not, they actually go all the way around and they meet up to where it starts. 10, 10, 10, 10. It goes to 40, and then 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, all the way around. So you can see it's kind of, so like, yeah, you get what I mean. It's good enough. So now I need to figure out the firing order of the engine so I can put it at top dead center. And then I can go 120 degrees around to go to the next cylinder, so that I took out these rocker arms or rocker, and then the thingies, so that I could replace the lower intake manifold gaskets. So now I took this out without realizing it, like what I would have to do in terms of timing. I thought I could just bolt it back on. So now I'm gonna have to turn it 120 degrees on the marks I made, and then once I'm at top dead center at 0, 120 according to the Taurus book. Where'd it go? That from cylinder number 1. If I rotate it 120 degrees, it will go to cylinder number 4 at top dead center. Another 120 degrees rotation places number 2 at top dead center, etc. So I just need to go 120, 120 with the firing order. And that's when the spark plug will, ignite in the firing sequence. And the camshaft knows that. If you're wondering the way I did this, zero did it. You saw the number, I think. But I didn't use this end. I used this end. I saw this from an older gentleman on YouTube. I don't remember the channel. Maybe I'll link it in the description. But I thought I would make, I don't know, for more DIY. I'm not a professional. I'm clearly not a professional here. So for any of those DIYers out there, I want you to know that this is doable. And you can do something like this in your garage and figure it out and DIY it. So I used this and just went from scratch to scratch to scratch. Went all the way around with this. And then at the first point, come on, focus. I started right here. And that was my first measurement, and I would double check it. This took me like half an hour, and I would just constantly double check my measurements and as I went around. Cylinder number one. Therefore, cylinder number 4 is the next in the firing order. 1, 4. So 4 is the next one. Cylinder number 4 is here. Yeah, here. It's here, right? So when I turned it 120 degrees, like the book was saying, for my marks, then I took the spark plug out, and I already did this one, but it's not anymore. You can't see that. Anyways, it's down now. But now I'm on cylinder number 2. That's next in the firing order, so we're on this one. And as you can see, where'd the flashlight go? Yeah. That's right here. The cylinder is right up there. You see it? In the hole? Like you can see something in the hole. And this one, it's not a top dead center. You can't see nothing. It's just a black hole. In this one, you can see the cylinder at top dead center. So this literally works. This like jerry rig method, DIY method actually works. So confirmation. For those of you that have projects like this, I pray and hope that this has blessed you and encouraged you that DIYers can do cool stuff too. So keep doing weird projects.